Hello students, welcome to M10 classes. This is Mitra Bhanu and I am going to provide concept oriented videos exclusively for CBSE class 10 students. It will include all the parts of science, that is physics, chemistry, bio and also mathematics. Please do like and share and subscribe for new videos. Today we are going to discuss about mirror and lens formula. Many a times I have seen students facing difficulties in solving numericals related to mirror and lens formula. Before going to know about mirror and lens formula, we must know about some concepts. Now let us consider the sign convention. Here I am going to draw a convex mirror like this. Let's say here is the object and let's say here is the image. Now, how to use the sign convention? Now, students, don't get confused. It is just similar to our Cartesian plane. Now, this is positive x-axis. This is your negative x-axis. This is your positive y-axis. And this is your negative y-axis. So, it is very simple that if we consider from the origin on the right hand side, it would be positive, and towards the left, it would be negative. And towards up it will be positive, towards down it will be negative. Now let us consider I have kept an object over this place and an image over this place. Now if I consider the object, it is on the left hand side of the pole and here the object distance would be negative. And here the image on the right hand side of the origin and here the image distance would be positive. And here the object height, if we consider, it would be positive, and similarly the image height, it would be negative. Now let us see some basic concepts related to mirror and lens. So as you know, whenever we keep an object in front of the mirror, let's say it may be a concave or a convex mirror. Now if I put an object over this place or an object over this place, in both the cases the object is on the left hand side of the pole, and that is why in both the cases the object distance is negative. Now in case of concave mirror, the focus is on the left hand side of the pole, and that is why this focal length would be negative. But in case of convex mirror, the focus is on the right hand side of the pole, and that is why the focal length is positive. If you remember, in case of convex mirror, the image is always virtual and erect, and this is formed on the right hand side between pole and focus, and that is why the image distance in case of convex mirror is always positive. But in case of concave mirror, it depends on the object where it is placed. Now let us see in case of lenses. Similarly, in case of lenses, in both the cases the object distance is negative. But what about focal length? As you know, in case of lenses there are two curvatures, two parts, and we can say that they are the part of two spheres. So that is why they have two foci, that is f1 and f2, in both the cases, that is concave and convex lenses. But you must understand which focus is required in which kind of lens. If we consider concave lens, which is also known as a diverging lens, whenever a ray parallel to the principal axis and passes through the lens, it diverges away, and if you take back and trace back, it will pass through f1, and the f1 is on the left side of the optical center, and that is why the focal length is negative. Similarly, in case of convex lens, the ray parallel to principal axis after refraction through the lens passes through f2, that is on the right hand side of the optical lens, and that is why the focal length is positive, and that is very much essential to know about this concept. Now there is an interesting concept to watch, that in both cases, in concave mirror and concave lens, the focal length is negative. Similarly, let it be the convex lens or convex mirror, the focal length is always positive. So you can say that if we consider concave, the focal length is always negative, and in case of convex, the focal length is always positive. It will be helpful to solve problems. So let us see about mirror formula and lens formula. As you can see that I have kept it in one page so that you can compare and remember this easily. In case of mirror formula, the formula is 1 by b plus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f. But in case of lens formula, it is 1 by b minus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f. So that is the difference of the sign in both the cases. Considering the magnification, so basically magnification is the ratio between the height of the image to the height of the object. In case of mirror, the magnification is minus b by u, and in case of lens it is b by u. So again here there is a difference of the sign. So what is the importance of magnification that is very much required while solving numericals? Magnification is positive, then the nature of the image will be virtual and erect. But if the magnification is negative, the nature of the image will be real and inverted. Now we are going to solve numericals related to mirror and lens formula. I have here solved two problems from the exercise of the NCERT book. Now let us see the first numerical. Students, whenever you are going to solve any kind of numericals, you must first take out whatever the data provided for you. Now let us see the numerical here. An object of size 7 centimeter. So here the height of the object is 7 centimeter and it is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Now here what is the data provided to you? It is a concave mirror and it is placed at 27 centimeter in front of it. So here the object distance is 27 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should the screen be placed so that a sharp image can be obtained? So here you have provided that focal length is 18 centimeter, and as it is a concave mirror, I have already told you whenever it is concave the focal length will always be negative. So here the focal length is minus 18 centimeter. So here the question is, at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp image can be obtained? Find the size and the nature. So as you have already written the data, u equals to minus 27 centimeter, f equals to minus 18 centimeter, the height of the object is 7 centimeter, and the mirror here is concave mirror. So as you are provided with a mirror, we are going to use mirror formula, that is 1 by b plus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f. So we need to find out the image distance by putting the values. We have got that the image distance is minus 54. It's minus 54. Now it is given to find the size of the nature of the image. Whenever you are asked to find out the nature of the image, you must find the magnification. So for the mirror, the formula for magnification is minus b by u. So by putting the value, you are getting minus 2. And as I have already told you, if the magnification is negative, the image is real and inverted. Now again, to find the size of the image, now we are going to put m equals to h dash by h, that is image height divided by object height. Now putting the value, I am going to get the height of the image is minus 14 centimeter. Now you might be thinking whatever answers we have got, whether that is correct or not. So you should have it in your mind, or else you can draw it like this. You are provided with concave mirror, so I am going to draw a concave mirror. Now this is, let's say, C, this is your F. Now the focal length is 18, so if the focal length is 18, so the center of curvature would be at 36. Now the object is placed at 27 centimeter, that means it must be in between C and F. Now have a look at this. If it is a concave mirror and the object is placed between C and F, that is this one. The position of object is beyond C and the size is enlarged and it must be real and inverted. So let us verify it. The object is placed between C and F and the image should be beyond C. Here the image distance is minus 54, which is obviously beyond this 36, that is this is beyond C. And the image is real, inverted and enlarged. Here we have seen the object height is 7 cm, but the image height is minus 14 cm, which shows that it is enlarged. So like this you can verify. Now here is another numerical from the NCERT exercise, that is question number 11. A concave lens of focal length 15 cm forms an image 10 cm from the lens. How far is the object placed from the lens? So for your convenience I have drawn a concave lens over here. Now here the focal length is 15 cm. As you know, we are using this focus, and in case of concave the focal length is always negative, so it is minus 15 cm. Now the image distance is given 10 cm. Now the image is always formed behind the lens, that is on the same side of the object. So the image distance is minus 10 cm. Now as the problem is related to lens, so we are going to use lens formula, that is 1 by v minus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. Now by solving it we are getting u equals to minus 30 cm, that is the object is minus 30 cm. So basically while you are going to solve the mirror or lens formula related problems, so you must find out whether it is a lens or mirror, whether it is a concave lens and convex lens, or concave mirror or convex mirror. Accordingly you will find the focal length, whether it is positive or negative, and then you are going to solve the problems. This is for today. I am going to bring a new video related to mathematics. Till then, bye bye, take care.